The third factor that we're going to discuss is the effect of change in temperature. Remember one thing, that an increase in temperature would always favor the endothermic reaction, and a decrease in temperature would always favor the exothermic reaction. A and B reactants are forming three C and D reactor products. So delta H is always given for the forward reaction. रिमेंबर अगर इस रिएक्शन की एंथैल्पी चेंज पॉजिटिव है तो याद रखें कि हमेशा फॉरवर्ड वाली की ये दी होती है, तो फॉरवर्ड वाला आपके पास एंडोथर्मिक है और दूसरा एक्सोथर्मिक। लेट्स से अगर रिएक्शन माइनस में है तो फॉरवर्ड वाला आपका एक्सो होगा एंड बैकवर्ड वाला वुड बी योर एंडो। इफ हीट इज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू द system will respond to neutralize the change either by absorbing or releasing heat. If we talk about the effect of change in temperature in terms of rate of reaction, remember whenever we increase the temperature, the rate of reaction is always going to increase, because when we increase the temperature, kinetic energy increases, particles move faster, they collide, number of collisions increase, and rate of the reaction becomes faster और जल्दी products form होते हैं. But equilibrium कैसे dependent है? The position of the equilibrium will only be judged upon whether the reactant or the side is exo or endo. If delta H is greater than zero, it is a thermic reaction. Obviously, it positive होगा, and when the temperature increased, by Lachatelier's principle, the position of the equilibrium shifts to the right. We are just determining. अभी हमने ये suppose किया है कि delta H आपका पॉजिटिव है, तो उसके ऊपर अब दोनों हमें सिनेरियोस दिए हैं कि डेल्टा H पॉजिटिव व्हेन यू इंक्रीज द टेम्परेचर, obviously the position of equilibrium will move in the forward direction because the forward is endothermic, and when the temperature is reduced by Lachatelier's principle, the position of equilibrium shifts to release the heat in the forward region and exothermic is favored. आपका इक्विलिब्रियम जो है वो बैकवर्ड मूव हो जाता है टू रिलीज द हीट, एंड एक्सोथर्मिक साइड और बैकवर्ड रिएक्शन इज फेवर्ड. So increased temperature favors endothermic reaction, decreased temperature favors the exothermic reaction.